In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a British passport online. To begin, open the official guidance page for applying for a British passport online. Once you're there, look for the option that says Apply Online and then click Start Now. This will take you into the government passport application service, where you'll be guided through the process one screen at a time. Before you continue, keep in mind that if you're completing the application for someone else, such as an adult or a child, you should answer the questions using their details, not your own. That part is very important because the application must match the person who will actually receive the passport. Next, you'll be asked whether you live in the UK. Select the answer that applies to the applicant, then click Continue. After that, enter the date of birth carefully. Make sure it's accurate, because this helps the system direct you to the correct application path. Once the date of birth is entered, click Continue again. You'll then see a question asking whether the applicant has had a UK passport before. Choose the correct answer based on their passport history, and then click Continue. This helps determine what kind of application you're making, such as a first passport or a renewal. The next screen explains how to apply. Take a moment to read through this information rather than skipping past it. It gives useful context about what you'll need and what to expect as you move forward. When you're ready, click Continue. After that, you'll be shown guidance on how to get a digital passport photo. Read this section carefully, since passport photo rules are strict and your application can be delayed if the photo doesn't meet the requirements. Once you understand the instructions, click Continue. Now you'll reach the part where you choose to get a digital photo. Select that option, then click Continue to move forward. From here, continue reading each page carefully and follow the next steps shown on screen. The application system will guide you through the remaining stages based on the answers you've already given. As a general tip, take your time with each section and double-check every detail before moving on. Small errors can cause delays, especially with personal information and photo requirements. It's also a good idea to read every instruction fully before clicking ahead. That's how to get started with applying for a British passport online. Follow each screen carefully, and you'll be able to work through the application with much more confidence.